So we have the challenge of finding the k values such that the trinomial can be factored. Now notice how the coefficient here is 1. So normally when we try to factor, we have x times x plus something becomes 8. So we need to think about some possibilities here. What times what can be 8? Perhaps we have 1 times 8, and we're talking about positive 1 and positive 8, because these multiply to be 8, positive 8, but then the k value would be these added. So for example, we have plus 1 plus 8, and this would lead to k would be, we're going to do FOIL, outside is positive 8x plus 1x is going to be 9x. So we have 9x, which means that k equals 9. That's the coefficient of x. Now what about minus 1 minus 8? We flip the signs. Again, negative times negative is positive, but when we add these, we have negative 9x, which means that k is negative 9. Here's another possible answer for k. Now what else multiplied becomes 8? Let's try 4 times 2. So plus 4 plus 2 indeed is multiplied to be 8. However, when we add these, we get 4 plus 2 is 6. So we have 6x, which means that k equals 6. We flip the signs, and we have negative. Again, they multiply to be positive 8, but when you add these, we get negative 6x, which means that k is negative 6. So here are the 4 possible k values. You could say k is equals to plus minus 9 or plus minus 6.